In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities, yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the EURUSD-JET EA on my RoboForex demo for months. And zounds, it's jetted through EUR/USD with plus 16.13% gains like a parodic precision pilot. The Telegram Tattler trumpeted it as the EA that alerts without the alarms. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this EURUSD-JET EA ace of accuracy. The zip folder for the EURUSD-JET EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the EURUSD-JET EA to EURUSD's H1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet. And there the EURUSD-JET EA parades its plus 16.13%. Absolute gain escapade on RoboForex, ballooning $1,000 deposits into $1,159.23 balance with $159.23 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.07% chuckles, monthly 15.90% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for pair-specific bots that chase tight ranges. Average win. A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the EURUSD-JET EAs, built-in real-time updates and alerts, automated trading, specifically designed for the EUR/USD currency pair, and fast execution with high accuracy that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net pips positive overall. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on EURUSD without overtrading. Drawdowns only 28.69% absolute. So even in choppy sessions, equity stays calm, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for H1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving boldly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers explosive short-term gains with disciplined risk on majors, this EURUSD-JET EA is the real deal. Hands down. All right, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fire the EURUSD-JET EA on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $42.06. Gross profits edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced. Win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown low. Steady performance, no drama. Perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, if the EURUSD-JET EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting EURUSD-JET EA strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.